Welcome to JH. I gave Aumeto Berberine a shot, and the first thing I realized is that it's actually easy to swallow, which is a nice change from those massive horse pills that usually get stuck in your throat. Because we all love that lingering feeling of a dry capsule, right? There is absolutely no nasty aftertaste, and after using them consistently, I noticed a steady boost in my energy and digestion. It's almost like my body finally decided to start doing its job for once. The formula packs in Ceylon cinnamon, turmeric, and milk thistle, which apparently do more than just sit in your spice rack looking pretty. These ingredients support overall wellness without any weird side effects or unexpected bathroom emergencies. It's also made in a GMP-certified facility and lab-tested for purity, just in case you were worried about it being mixed in some guy's garage. This gave me enough confidence to actually keep taking it without fearing for my life. Over time, I felt way less sluggish after meals, which is great because falling into a food coma after a basic sandwich isn't exactly a top-tier personality trait. While it's definitely not a magic potion that fixes your life overnight, sorry to ruin the dream, it works perfectly as part of a consistent health routine. Overall, Aumeto Berberine is a reliable way to support your metabolism and digestion in a gentle, natural way that actually makes sense.